Today I'll be trying this Trufru Nature Strawberries Dark Chocolate and Olipop Ginger Ale. Not bad, not bad. I was trying to find a substitute for ginger ale because I haven't had ginger ale since I started this journey, weight loss journey. No, but it's supposed to be good for you. So I guess every now and then when I'm craving ginger ale, I may pick this up. It's the aftertaste. But other than that, it's okay. Oh, good. And just the inside. Okay, yeah. I will get these again. It kind of reminds me of Raisinets. I think that's what it's called. But, okay, yeah. Very good, very good. Thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all on the next video.